You didn't think I'd skip meme coins, did you? Meme coins are high-risk, high-reward plays, but when you snipe the right one, the gains are legendary. Here's the one I've got locked in my crosshairs right now. Meme coin on my radar, Pepe 2.0. Why it's on my radar? Cultural momentum. Pepe is already an iconic meme in internet culture, and the resurgence with Pepe 2.0 capitalizes on nostalgia and hype. The community is growing fast, and memes drive virality like no other. Low market cap. With a market cap under $50 million, there's massive room for growth compared to Doge and SHIB. Early entries here can mean 10 times or more returns. Whale activity. Whales have started accumulating Pepe 2.0 on-chain. When the big wallets move, it's a signal to pay attention. Hype cycles. Meme coins thrive on narratives, and with a potential bull run around the corner, people love jumping on meme hype for quick gains. Price range to watch. Accumulate in the $0.000012 to $0.000015 range before the next marketing push. Target sell zone. Look to take profits at 10 times levels, but hold a moon bag in case of exponential growth. Snipers pro tips for meme coins. Watch the community. Strong meme coins live and die by their community. Check Twitter, Telegram, and Reddit for activity and engagement. Track liquidity. Make sure there's enough liquidity to exit when the hype dies down. Set tight stops. Meme coins are volatile. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Pepe 2.0 is my current meme sniper pick, but remember, these plays are about timing. Get in early, ride the wave, and take profits before the hype fades. Want more meme coin snipes? Subscribe and let's lock in those moonshots.
Crypto, huh? Wild West of finance, digital gold rush, decentralized dream? Or is it? Look, we all see the headlines. Bitcoin billionaires, Ethereum empires, Dogecoin, doing whatever Dogecoin does. It's exciting, it's enticing, it's also rigged, folks. This ain't about some libertarian utopia anymore. Big money moved in, built a casino on top of your digital dreams, and guess what? They make the rules. Whales manipulate markets. Exchanges exploit your data. It's enough to make you want to go back to collecting Beanie Babies. But hold on a second. Before you throw your hard drive in the nearest lake, there's hope. This isn't a game you can't win. You just need to know how to play. Think of this as your crash course in crypto self-defense. We're going to expose the rigged games, shine a light on the predators, and most importantly, give you the tools and knowledge needed to survive and thrive. Ready? Let's get to it. Let's talk about whales, those cryptocurrency titans with pockets deeper than a Mariana Trench documentary. These aren't your friendly neighborhood Bitcoin hodlers. We're talking massive entities, hedge funds, institutions, maybe even that guy who invented cryptocurrency in the first place. Who knows, he's pretty mysterious. Their game? Pump and dump. They buy huge amounts of a coin, artificially inflating the price. You, the average investor, see this rocket to the moon and jump on board. The price soars higher. You're dreaming of Lambos and private islands. Then, the whales sell everything. The price plummets faster than a SpaceX rocket booster. You're left holding a bag of worthless digital tokens, wondering what just hit you. It's brutal, it's unfair, and it happens every single day. But here's the thing, you can spot these whales. Look for massive buy or sell walls on exchanges. Be wary of sudden unexplained price spikes. Do your research, don't get caught in the undertow. Think of your typical cryptocurrency exchange as a casino that also tracks your every move, sells that information to the highest bidder, and then maybe uses it against you in a poker game later. Not ideal, right? These centralized platforms might seem convenient, but they hold all the cards. They know what you're buying, when you're buying it, and how much you're willing to pay. They can use this data to manipulate prices, prioritize their own trades, or even worse. Remember that time your favorite exchange went down during a major market move? Coincidence? Maybe. Or maybe it's just part of the game they play. A game where you, dear investor, are not a participant, but rather the product. So, how do you beat a rigged game? You change the rules. That's where decentralized exchanges come in, but we'll get to that later. For now, just remember, be cautious on centralized exchanges. They might not have your best interests at heart. Section 4. Time is money, especially in crypto. You want to know a secret? Most of those crypto gurus peddling get-rich-quick schemes, they're not in it for your benefit, they're in it for theirs. They thrive on your dreams of instant wealth. They're banking on your impatience. They're counting on you buying high on hype, and then panic selling at the first sign of a dip. They know that fear and greed are powerful motivators. This is the oldest game in the book, folks, and it's even more effective in the volatile world of crypto. The stakes are higher, the swings are wilder, and the emotions run deeper. Short-term trading can be tempting, but it's a dangerous game, especially for beginners. The allure of quick profits can cloud your judgment and lead to costly mistakes. It's like trying to time the stock market while riding a roller coaster during an earthquake. The ups and downs can be thrilling, but they can also be terrifying and unpredictable. Instead, think long-term, zoom out, see the bigger picture. Understand that true wealth in crypto comes from patience and strategic thinking. Bitcoin was worth pennies once. Ethereum, a pipe dream. These giants started small and grew because people believed in their potential and held on. The real money is made by identifying promising projects and holding on to them for the long haul. It's about doing your homework and investing in what you believe in. This isn't about getting rich overnight, it's about being part of a financial revolution. It's about understanding the technology and the vision behind these digital assets. It's about taking control of your money and investing in the future. It's about being ahead of the curve and embracing innovation. And that, my friends, is a game worth playing. A game where patience, knowledge, and vision can lead to true financial freedom. Section 5. Level up your game tools of the trade. Alright, you're starting to see the matrix here. The world of finance is a complex web, and navigating it requires more than just basic knowledge. You understand the game is rigged. The big players have the upper hand, and the odds are often stacked against the little guy. But how do you, the intrepid individual investor, fight back against these titans of finance? How do you carve out your own path in this seemingly impenetrable jungle? Simple, you get better weapons. You arm yourself with the best tools and resources available. We're not talking about algorithms that magically print money. Those don't exist, no matter what the internet promises. The real tools are about gaining insights and making informed decisions. We're talking about tools and resources that give you an edge. Tools that help you analyze data, track trends, and make strategic moves. Think of it like this. You wouldn't bring a knife to a gunfight, would you? In the world of finance, you need the right arsenal to succeed. Want to track whale movements? These are the big players making significant moves in the market. There's a website for that. These tools can help you see where the big money is going. Need to analyze market sentiment? Understanding the mood of the market can be crucial. There's an app for that. These apps can give you a pulse on how investors are feeling. Want to understand the technology behind your investments? Knowledge of blockchain and cryptocurrency can be a game changer. Well, you might need to read a book, but you get the idea. The more you know, the better equipped you are. Knowledge is power, and in the world of crypto, that knowledge is readily available. Dive into the resources at your disposal. There are podcasts, forums, newsletters, and entire online communities dedicated to helping you navigate this complex landscape. Engage with these communities to stay ahead. So, do your research, find the tools that work for you, and get ready to level up your game. Equip yourself with the best resources, and you'll be better prepared to face the challenges ahead. Section 6. Fight back. Knowledge is power and profit. Here's the beautiful irony of the crypto world. The same technology that allows whales and exchanges to manipulate the market also gives you the power to fight back. The blockchain, with its decentralized nature, is a double-edged sword. On one side, it can be used for manipulation, but on the other, it can be wielded as a tool for empowerment. This is where your knowledge becomes your greatest asset. Remember those decentralized exchanges we mentioned earlier? This is their time to shine. These platforms are designed to operate without a central authority, making them resistant to censorship and manipulation. They are the embodiment of the true spirit of cryptocurrency. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX, are like the Robin Hood of the crypto world. They take from the powerful centralized entities and redistribute that power to the everyday user. It's a financial revolution in the making. They take the power away from the centralized institutions and give it back to the people. This shift is not just about financial transactions. It's about reclaiming control and fostering a more equitable financial system. No more middlemen, no more shady dealings, just pure peer-to-peer trading. This direct interaction between users ensures that transactions are transparent and fair, eliminating the need for intermediaries who often take a cut. And the best part? DEX are built on transparency. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, making it nearly impossible to hide any fraudulent activity. This openness is a cornerstone of trust in the decentralized world. Every transaction is recorded on a public blockchain, visible for all to see. This level of transparency ensures that everyone plays by the same rules, creating a fairer financial environment. That means no more hidden fees, no more market manipulation, and no more wondering what the hell is going on behind the curtain. You get to see the full picture, and that clarity is empowering. This is the future of finance, folks. A future where technology serves the people, not the other way around. It's a vision of a world where financial systems are open, fair, and accessible to everyone. A future where you are in control of your own money. You decide how to manage your assets without interference from centralized authorities. It's financial freedom in its truest form. A future where the game isn't rigged against you. Everyone has an equal opportunity to participate and succeed, leveling the playing field for all. A future where the house doesn't always win. The decentralized model ensures that power is distributed more evenly, preventing any single entity from having too much control. But it's up to you to make that future a reality. By embracing decentralized technologies and educating yourself, you can be part of this transformative movement. The power is in your hands. Section 7. The future is decentralized. So there you have it. The good, the bad, and the ugly truth about the crypto market. Yes, there are whales. Yes, there are rigged games. But there's also a growing community of people who are fighting back, who are building a more equitable and transparent financial system. This is a revolution, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, education, and a healthy dose of skepticism. But most importantly, it requires action. Don't be another pawn in their game. Become a player. Educate yourself. Explore decentralized platforms. Support projects you believe in. The more people who join this movement, the stronger it becomes. The future of finance is in your hands. What will you do with it? 10 times your portfolio like a pro. What if I told you there's a secret crypto strategy the pros use to 10 times their portfolios, and it's easier than you think? You see it all the time. People YOLOing into meme coins, chasing pumps, and then losing their shirts when the market inevitably corrects. They think it's a get-rich-quick scheme, but the real money is made by playing the long game. In this video, I'm going to break down the 4 essential strategies that separate the crypto pros from the amateurs. We're going to dive deep into the tactics that help me build my own crypto portfolio. And I promise, this is the kind of insider knowledge you won't find anywhere else. So buckle up and get ready to transform your trading game. Now let's talk about chart patterns. You ever notice how price charts kind of resemble those squiggly lines kids draw? Well, believe it or not, there's an actual rhyme and reason to the madness. See, professional traders, they don't just throw darts at a board and hope for the best. They look for specific formations on the charts like bull flags, double bottoms, head and shoulders. These are your treasure maps to potential profit. Think of a bull flag, for example. It's like a little pause during a big upward price move, where the bulls are catching their breath before charging even higher. Once you learn to spot these patterns, you'll start seeing them everywhere, and you'll be able to anticipate the market's next move before it even happens. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, this sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not rocket science. There are tons of free resources online. TradingView, Investopedia, you name it. Spend some time each day learning a new pattern, and you'll be surprised how quickly you start to see the market through a whole new lens. Because here's the thing, when you understand chart patterns, you're no longer reacting to the market, you're anticipating it. You're thinking like a chess player, always 2 steps ahead. And that, my friends, is how you generate consistent long-term profits in the crypto game. Don't be discouraged if you don't become a chart wizard overnight. Even seasoned traders are constantly learning and refining their skills. The key is to be patient, stay consistent, and never stop educating yourself. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the volatile world of crypto. All right, let's talk about whales, those big players in the crypto ocean who can make waves with a single trade. We're talking institutions, hedge funds, even some individual investors sitting on massive stacks of Bitcoin. See, when a whale buys or sells a large amount of crypto, it creates a ripple effect that can move the entire market. Now, you might think they're operating in some secret society, but the truth is, their actions leave clues. That's where tools like Whale Alert come in. These platforms track large crypto transactions in real time, giving you a glimpse into the movements of the whales. Think of it like having a secret window into their trading strategy. Now, I'm not saying you should blindly follow every whale move. They're not always right, but by keeping an eye on their activity, you can start to understand market sentiment and identify potential opportunities. For example, let's say you see a whale moving a large amount of Bitcoin from an exchange to a private wallet. This could be a bullish signal, indicating that they're holding long-term and expecting the price to go up. On the other hand, if you see a whale dumping a large amount of crypto on the market, it might be a good time to proceed with caution. Remember, information is key in the crypto world, and tracking whale movements gives you a valuable edge. It's like having a sixth sense for market trends, allowing you to make more informed trading decisions. So don't be afraid to swim with the whales. Just make sure you're paying attention to their every move. Chapter 3. Master the news cycle. Stay ahead of the crypto curve. Let's face it, the crypto market moves faster than a Tesla on autopilot. 1 minute you're sipping your coffee, the next minute your portfolio's doing the tango, and not the good kind. That's why staying ahead of the news cycle is absolutely crucial. Remember, we're not just talking about price fluctuations here. Regulatory announcements, technological advancements, even Elon Musk's tweets, they can all send shockwaves through the crypto market. So how do you keep up with this constant stream of information? My advice, treat it like a pro. Set up Google alerts for specific keywords. Bitcoin regulation, Ethereum upgrade, Dogecoin. You get the idea. Subscribe to industry newsletters like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph. Follow influential crypto analysts and journalists on Twitter. The key is to create a personalized news stream that delivers the most relevant information directly to you. Don't just rely on social media for your news. It's often filled with noise and misinformation. Now, when you see a breaking news alert, don't just react impulsively. Take a moment to analyze the information, consider its potential impact on the market, and then make a calculated decision. Are you buying the dip? Are you taking some profits? Remember, knowledge without action is useless. By staying ahead of the news cycle, you're essentially gaining a sixth sense for market-moving events. You'll be able to anticipate trends, capitalize on opportunities, and avoid potential pitfalls. And that, my friends, is how you navigate the crypto waters like a seasoned captain. Chapter 4. Play the long game. Patience is your crypto superpower. Now for the most important lesson of all, the one that separates the true crypto winners from the rest. Patience. See, the crypto market is a roller coaster. It's full of ups and downs, twists and turns. But here's the thing. Those who panic sell during the dips, they never get to enjoy the exhilarating highs. Remember, Bitcoin didn't become a global phenomenon overnight. It took years of slow, steady growth, punctuated by periods of extreme volatility. But those who held on, who believed in the technology and its potential, they were rewarded handsomely. So how do you cultivate this elusive quality of patience? It starts with your mindset. Shift your focus from short-term gains to long-term growth. Don't get distracted by every little price fluctuation or every new meme coin that pops up. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio of solid projects with real-world use cases. Do your research, invest in what you believe in, and then, most importantly, hold on tight. Think of it like planting a tree. You wouldn't dig it up every few weeks to see if it's growing, would you? No, you give it time, you nurture it, and you let it flourish over the long term. The crypto market is no different. Be patient, ignore the noise, and trust in the process. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a winning crypto portfolio. Trade smart, trade bold, unlock your crypto potential. So there you have it, the 4 pillars of a winning crypto strategy. Remember, trading like a pro isn't about luck or timing the market perfectly. It's about having a solid plan, managing your risk, and staying disciplined, even when things get bumpy. These 4 steps separate amateurs from pros. Ready to transform your trading game? Save this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider crypto strategies.
Let me give you the sniper level details on the hottest coins I'm tracking. These aren't just speculative plays. They've got the fundamentals and the hype to back them up. First up, Arbitrum, the Layer 2 powerhouse. Why it's on my radar? Well, Arbitrum already dominates the Layer 2 market with over 60% of Ethereum's Layer 2 total value locked. That's billions of dollars in play. Projects like GMX, a perpetual exchange, are thriving on Arbitrum. This blockchain is becoming the go-to for new DeFi protocols. And with Ethereum gas fees spiking, Arbitrum's cheap and fast transactions make it irresistible for users. Major upgrades like Arbitrum Orbit, their developer toolkit, could attract even more builders. Keep an eye on $1.20 to $1.50 for potential dips before the next run-up. Next, Radix, the sleeper DeFi giant. Why it's on my radar? Radix uses a Cerberus consensus protocol, designed specifically for scalability. No other blockchain has cracked the scalability security balance quite like this. Radix's crypto programming language is a game changer, making it easier for developers to build decentralized apps without worrying about hacks. While Ethereum and Solana adapted to DeFi, Radix was built for it from the ground up. Their upcoming Babylon mainnet upgrade promises to make DeFi even more user-friendly and accessible. Accumulate under 10 cents before the Babylon upgrade hype starts kicking in. 3. Injective Protocol, the DeFi derivatives killer. Why it's on my radar? Derivatives boom. The traditional derivatives market is worth trillions, and Injective is bringing this power to DeFi. Cross-chain power Injective connects to Ethereum, Cosmos, and more, making it a true multi-chain protocol. Built-in burn mechanism INJ is deflationary, with fees burned on every transaction. Less supply equals potential price pumps. Key catalyst. Partnerships with heavyweights like Binance and Chainlink are adding legitimacy and liquidity. Price range to watch. Look for entries around $7 to $8 with potential upside to $20 in the next bull cycle. These aren't just coins, they're ecosystems with serious upside. Arbitrum for scaling, Radix for DeFi innovation, and Injective for capturing the derivatives market. If you're aiming for life-changing gains, these are the ones to watch. Want more sniper picks? Hit subscribe and let's lock in those profits. Rock it!
Welcome to Coffee, Crypto, and Cannabis, where the coffee is hot, the crypto is wild, and the cannabis keeps us chill through all the market crashes. Today's episode is all about laughs, truths, and roasting ourselves as traders. Because let's be real, if crypto traders were honest about their losses, half of us wouldn't even admit we bought Dogecoin at the peak. Let's start with the real talk. If crypto traders were honest, conversations would go like this.
Yeah, I sold my Bitcoin at 19,000 because I thought it was going to zero.
I bought Shiba Inu because my barber said it's the next Bitcoin. Now I have 1 trillion coins worth $12.
I mortgaged my house for a rug pull project because the logo had a dog in space.
Let's face it, we've all been there. Crypto is like Vegas. What happens in the market stays in your therapy sessions. Next up, the types of crypto investors. Which one are you? Let's break it down. The hodler, Bitcoin is life. It'll go to 1 million, just not today. The meme lord, I only invest in coins with a dog or cat mascot. The panic seller, it dropped 5%. Sell everything. The Lambo dreamer, bro, this $50 investment will make me a millionaire by next Tuesday. The research geek, before I buy, I read the white paper, study the tokenomics, and email the dev team. Be honest, which one are you? I'm a mix between the hodler and the meme lord. Because let's face it, Dogecoin is life. Now let's lighten up with some crypto memes that hit way too close to home. Get ready to laugh, cry, and question your life choices. Picture of a roller coaster with crypto traders' emotions as the caption. This is literally me at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m. every day. Meme of a guy sweating labeled bought the dip but it keeps dipping. I bought the dip so many times I'm practically digging to China. Image of a Lambo with the caption, dream versus reality next to a rusty bike. This is what I tell people versus what my bank account actually says. All right, fam, that's a wrap for today's episode. Remember, the crypto market might be a wild ride, but laughter is the real bull market. So stay high vibe, keep those coffee cups full, and if all else fails, just hot EL and light one up. See you next time on Coffee, Crypto, and Cannabis.
Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's writing our emails, driving our cars, sort of, and yes, even trading our precious cryptocurrency. It's like Wall Street got a software update, and now the computers are playing the game even better than we are. But before you panic and buy a bunker in the woods, let's break it down. It's not quite Terminator yet, but these bots are changing the game. They're faster, smarter, and they never sleep, which is frankly more than I can say for myself. Okay, so what are these bots anyway? Imagine a really, really smart computer program like Rain Man Smart, but with Wi-Fi. These bots are designed to analyze data, spot patterns, and make decisions, all in the blink of an eye. They're like the ultimate traders, except they run on electricity and don't demand $1 million bonuses yet. They can scan multiple markets at once, react to news in milliseconds, and even learn from their mistakes. Basically, they're everything I'm not. So how do these bots work their magic in the wild world of crypto? It's all about algorithms, baby. These bots use fancy math equations to identify trading opportunities. They look for things like price fluctuations, market trends, and even social media buzz to make buy or sell decisions. Think of it like this. You could spend hours staring at charts, trying to predict the next Bitcoin boom, or you could let a bot do the heavy lifting while you catch up on some much-needed sleep. Honestly, the bot option sounds way more appealing. Section 4, the good, the bot, and the ugly. Now, before you go all in on the bot revolution, let's talk about the good, the bad, and the potentially ugly. On the plus side, these bots can make trading more efficient, accessible, and potentially profitable. Emphasis on potentially. They never get tired, they don't make emotional decisions looking at you, GameStop stock, and they can execute trades faster than you can say blockchain. But, and this is a big but, there are risks. These bots are only as good as the algorithms they're built on, and a single error in the code can lead to some seriously bad trades. Plus, there are ethical concerns about bots manipulating markets and squeezing out US mere mortals. Section 5, the future of bots, a brave new digital world. So what does the future hold for AI bots in crypto trading? Well, it's hard to say for sure, but one thing's clear. They're here to stay. As the technology evolves, we can expect even more sophisticated bots that can analyze even more data and make even faster decisions. The key will be finding the right balance between human oversight and automated trading. We need to make sure these bots are working for us, not the other way around. Otherwise, we might just find ourselves living in a world where the robots are calling the shots, and frankly, that's not a future I am particularly excited about.
What separates pro traders from the rest? Is it their access to advanced tools or insider information? Not quite. It's not just the charts, it's their mindset. Their ability to stay calm under pressure and make rational decisions sets them apart. Here's how top crypto traders stay ahead of the game. They have a few key habits and strategies that keep them on top. Emotional detachment. They trade the plan, not their feelings. No panic selling, no FOMO buys, just pure discipline. They understand that emotions can cloud judgment and lead to costly mistakes. Risk management. They never bet the farm. Instead, they carefully calculate their risk and never invest more than they can afford to lose. 1 to 2% risk per trade keeps them in the game long term. This way, even if a trade goes wrong, they live to trade another day. Pro tip, always set your stop loss. This simple step can save you from significant losses. Continuous learning. Markets evolve and so do they. They know that staying updated is crucial in the fast-paced world of crypto trading. Top traders study daily, new strategies, new tools, and new insights. They never stop learning and adapting. They attend webinars, read financial news, and constantly seek to improve their skills. Want to trade like a pro? Master your mindset first. Tools and strategies come second. Remember, a strong mindset is the foundation of successful trading. Here's the exact strategy I used to make $1,000 in just 24 hours. It all started with thorough research and a keen eye for opportunities. I spent hours analyzing different markets and trends, looking for that perfect moment to strike. The first step was identifying a low-cap gem with real utility. This isn't just about picking any random coin, it's about finding one that has potential for real-world application and growth. I scoured forums, read white papers, and engaged with communities to understand the coin's potential. Found a low-cap gem with real utility. But that was just the beginning. The next crucial step was to check the community activity. A vibrant and active community often indicates a healthy and promising project. Pro tip, check community activity. A strong community can drive the coin's value up through collective enthusiasm and support. I made sure to join discussions, ask questions, and gauge the overall sentiment. Entered during consolidation, never chase pumps. Timing is everything in crypto trading. I waited for the coin to consolidate, which means the price was stable and not experiencing wild fluctuations. This is often a sign that a big move is coming. Set a tight stop loss. This is a safety net to protect your investment. By setting a stop loss, I ensured that I wouldn't lose more than I was willing to risk. It's a crucial step to manage potential losses, and took profit in increments. Instead of waiting for a massive gain, I took profits at various stages. This strategy helped me secure my earnings and reduce the risk of losing everything in a sudden market downturn. Crypto is a game of patience and precision. It's not about making quick money, it's about making smart, calculated moves. Every decision should be backed by research and a clear strategy. Ready to play? Subscribe now for more winning moves. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. What's the best fuel for crushing your crypto research? It's all about the coffee strain. Let me break it down. First up, Ethiopian Yirgacheffe. This light roast has fruity notes and high caffeine, perfect for keeping your mind sharp and your focus steady. Next, Colombian Supremo. Smooth, bold, and energizing, great for those long nights decoding blockchain data. And my personal favorite, Guatemalan Antigua. It's rich and balanced, keeping you alert without the jitters. Pair these brews with your trading setup and you'll unlock next-level productivity. Coffee fuels profits. Discipline or vibes? Which one really keeps me winning in life? Here's the secret. It's both. Every morning, I kick things off with a strong cup of coffee. Why? Because caffeine sharpens my focus like a laser beam. Then, it's time to vibe out with some grade A cannabis. This isn't about getting lazy. Oh no. It's about unlocking creative flow and staying calm under pressure. Together, coffee and weed balance my hustle. Discipline gets the work done. Vibes keep me inspired. What's your morning ritual? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more tips on how to stay on top of your game. Want to know how to 10x your portfolio? These 3 crypto patterns are absolute game changers. Understanding these patterns can give you a significant edge in the market. Let's dive in. First, the bull flag. When the price consolidates after a sharp rise, forming a flag shape. This pattern indicates a brief period of consolidation before the price continues its upward trend. Breakouts from bull flags often lead to explosive gains. Traders love this pattern because it provides clear entry and exit points. Next, the head and shoulders. A reversal pattern signaling a trend change. This pattern is characterized by 3 peaks, a higher peak between 2 lower peaks. If you spot it, prepare to exit or short for profits. This pattern is a strong indicator that the current trend is about to reverse. Finally, the double bottom. Looks like a W and signals a strong reversal to the upside. Spot this, and you're looking at a potential moonshot. This pattern often appears at the end of a downtrend and signals a strong upward move. Master these patterns, and you'll start trading smarter, not harder. Ready to learn more? These patterns are just the beginning. Hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on mastering the crypto market. Together, we can navigate the complexities of crypto trading and achieve financial success. Ever wonder how whales manipulate the market? These market giants, often referred to as whales, have the power to move prices with their massive trades. Here's how you can outsmart them and potentially profit from their moves. Step 1. Watch the order books. Huge buy walls? Whales are driving up prices. They create these walls to generate buying pressure, making it seem like there's a lot of demand. This can trick smaller traders into buying, pushing prices even higher. Huge sell walls? They're dropping it too. Create panic and drive prices down. By doing this, they can buy back at lower prices once the panic selling starts. Recognizing these patterns can give you an edge. Step 2. Follow their wallets on chain. Use tools like Etherscan to track large transactions. By monitoring these wallets, you can see where the big money is moving. This can provide valuable insights into potential market moves, or whale alert. These tools send notifications when large transactions occur, allowing you to react quickly. Staying informed is key to staying ahead. Step 3. When the market panics, they're buying. Whales often take advantage of market fear to accumulate assets at lower prices. When everyone's hyped, they're selling. They sell into the euphoria, locking in profits while others are just getting in. Understanding this behavior can help you make more informed trading decisions. Whales make millions. Now, so can you. By learning to spot their moves and understanding their strategies, you can turn the tides in your favor. Subscribe for more crypto hacks and stay ahead of the game.
Want to wake up like a millionaire? It starts with what you brew, both in your cup and in your mind. Step 1. Start with intention. While your coffee brews, visualize your goals. See yourself making the trades, closing the deals, and living the life you want. Step 2. Take your first sip and focus on gratitude. Gratitude aligns you with abundance. Think, I'm grateful for the knowledge I'm gaining and the wealth I'm building. Step 3. Action. Millionaires don't just dream, they execute. Whether it's analyzing crypto charts, brainstorming ideas, or locking in trades, start your day by doing the work. The millionaire mindset isn't just a vibe, it's a routine. Brew it every morning and watch your life transform.
And here we are.
Aren't we nervous about presenting in front of the entire team today?
Nah, it's exciting. This is what we were meant to do. Break barriers and blaze trails.
I'd be a wreck.
On day one, maybe, when that picture was taken. But that was a year ago.
I can't believe it's already been a year.
Yeah, but what a year. All the training, the opportunities. All of our passion now has purpose. We're a whole new person now.
Same hairstyle, though.
Still got it.
How challenging, how exciting, and how rewarding is a career at Paycom? Ask yourself in a year. Your career at Paycom. Let's crush this.
Listen, we are too grown to let diabetes boss us around. The Freestyle Libre 3 Plus sensor sends your numbers straight to your phone. With the proper steps, you can do diabetes your way. And over time, you can bring down your A1C. The Freestyle Libre 3 Plus sensor helps you live life with diabetes on your terms. This is progress.
Try it for free at freestylelibre.us.
This month, I turned 40 years old. And let me tell you, it hits different.